In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to efficiently execute your necessary tasks. Let's jump right in and walk through this step by step so that you can get the most out of your Wix experience. First, you want to head over to Setup on wix.com. This is your main hub for all project management functions, and it's crucial for setting the groundwork of what you plan to accomplish with your site today. Once you're logged into your Wix account, you'll be in the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your site, along with various tools and options to make updates and changes. Next, let's move on to the Wix editor. Click on Add Elements to expand your website's capabilities. This is where you can enrich your website with features like images, text, buttons, or even more complex components like apps and media. The goal here is to make your website as functional and appealing as possible while ensuring every element contributes to your overall objective. Once you've decided which elements to add, it's time to focus on embedding HTML code. Click on Embed HTML. This feature is particularly useful if you want to include custom code that allows for more personalized customization or third-party services integration. It's an invaluable tool for those who need to bring in functionalities outside of Wix's native ecosystem. After embedding HTML, the next step is about directing these changes outward by clicking on Website Address. Here, you'll interact with the links and URLs that connect your site with the wider internet. This is especially important if you're planning to embed service widgets or tools that need to connect externally. Now, you'll want to copy important links. Navigate over and click on Copy Link. This action allows you to use important URLs within your website, making sure you have instant access to necessary resources or services. Whether it be a form, an external service, or another useful resource, ensuring easy accessibility is key. Once you've managed your links, go ahead and type them in. Here's where you ensure everything is exactly where and how you want it. Accurate link integration is pivotal to the user experience, streamlining communication between your site and any third-party elements you're utilizing. After entering the link, remember to click Apply. This action saves all the integrations and changes you've just made. It's satisfying to know that this simple step can drastically improve the effectiveness and function of your site. Close out of any unnecessary windows by clicking on X to keep your workspace tidy and organized, then hit the Save button. This last step ensures all your dedicated work is stored and safe, locking in your new settings so that your website reflects all the updates you've meticulously implemented. And there you have it, a full walkthrough of utilizing manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to make efficient adjustments and improvements to your website. I hope this guide has been insightful and equips you with the confidence to handle similar tasks in the future with ease.